Third one is find the angle between the lines whose direction cosines satisfies the equation. First equation is L plus M plus N equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. And second equation is L square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. It is the second equation. First, we can find out the direction cosines and then we can find out the angle between the direction cosines. Here two formulas are there. One is A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are DRs, direction ratios. Then cos theta equal to A1 by A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. If L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 are DCs, direction cosines, then cos theta equal to L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. These two are difference of the formulas for direction ratios and direction cosines. Indirectly in the cosines, we have found the A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. So in L1 only that included. So that is the difference of the angle in between of the two lines whose DCs or DRs are. First, we can find out direction cosines means to find out the two ratios of two lines. Here, we can take from 1, L is equal to minus M minus N, substitute in equation 2. That is, in the place of L, we can write minus M minus N whole square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. Here minus is taking common, then minus 1 whole square, it will become plus. So minus M whole square, that is M square, minus plus 2AB, that is 2 into A is minus M minus N, that is plus 2MN plus N square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. Plus N square minus N square get cancelled. 2M square plus 2MN equal to 0. 2M is common, then M plus N equal to 0. One is M equal to 0, another one is M equal to minus N. Here M equal to 0 substitute in equation 1. So that is L plus 0 plus N equal to 0. From this L equal to minus N. So L by minus 1 equal to N by 1 and M equal to 0. We are getting the L comma M comma N is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Next we can substitute the M equal to minus N, substitute in equation 1. L minus N plus N equal to 0. From this L equal to 0. Here L equal to 0, M equal to minus N means M by minus 1 equal to N by 1. From this we are getting the another set of the DRs L comma M comma N is equal to 0 comma minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, the DRs of, that is direction ratios of line 1 is A comma A1 comma B1 comma C1 equal to L1 comma M1 comma N1. In general, direction ratios are denoted by A1, B1, C1. It is minus 1, 0, 1. Find out the cosines. The direction cosines, that is DCs of L1 is L1 comma, it is direction cosines of, that is nothing but here A1 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. So here we cannot take this is the LMN. It is denoted by the -1, 0, 1. Why? Because we are getting the confusion if we take L1, N1, N1 and A1, B1, C1. B1 by under root of sigma A1 square, C1 by under root of sigma A1 square equal to -1 by under root of -1 whole square is 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is nothing but 0 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. Direction cosines are -1 by root 2, comma 0, comma 1 by root 2. Next, the drs of L2 is A2, comma B2, comma C2 equal to 0, comma -1, comma 1. So the direction cosines of L2 is L2, comma M2, comma N2. It is L1, comma M1, comma N1 equal to 0 by under root of 0 plus 1 plus 1. Why? Because under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square equal to under root of 0 square plus -1 whole square plus 1 square. So we can write it as directly 0 by root 2, comma -1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. It is equal to L2, comma M2, comma N2 is equal to 0, comma -1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. Next, what they are asking? Angle. The angle between two lines whose DCs are L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 is cos theta equal to L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. So cos theta equal to 1 by -1 by root 2 into 0 plus 0 into -1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. It's 0 plus 0 plus 1 by root 2 into root 2, 2. So it is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means cos 60 degrees. So theta equal to 60 degrees or theta equal to pi by 3. It is the solution.